Set a parent code on YouTube TV. Protect your kids from switching accounts or accessing inappropriate content. Launch the YouTube app on your smart TV. You will need to sign in to an adult account. On the left menu, scroll down to the settings icon and select Parent Code. In Parent Code, select On and set a 4-digit parent code. Ensure it is something you can easily remember. With this, your child will stay in their safe YouTube zones, and switching to guest or adult account will require a passcode. You can also enable restricted mode to filter out inappropriate content. In the left menu, select Settings, then select Restricted Mode. Click On. This will help hide potentially mature videos. Remember that no filter is 100% accurate, so you always need to monitor what your child is watching.